Welcome back guys to another video. I'm very glad you're here, and today we're gonna look at the Bitget API, especially how to create it in a secure way and with only read-only permissions for our crypto tax software like CoinTracking, for example. If you use the API, the advantage is that all the transactions will come in automatically into the software and you don't have to upload any CSVs. So let's dive into it. Now, if you are on bitget.com and you're logged in already, we are logged in here, we prepared. Then to obtain your API keys, all you have to do is click on your user icon on top right, scroll down a little bit, and then you will see the API keys. Click that. Now, this is the page where you can create your API keys, and on the bottom we see we have already implemented one of the API keys as for testing, but of course we will create a new one here. All we have to do is create API key, click that button, and then we have to click system generated API key. Here we will be asked for a note, and this note is just for us to know what the API key was created for. So I will name it YouTube video Bitget. For the passphrase, we will just choose CoinTracking. That's the password for the API. For the permission, this is very important. We change from read-write to read-only, and then for the permission type, we select all. So we have all the future data, the spot, and so on and so on. We get all the transaction data. And then the last but not least, we have to bind it to an IP address. So we go back to CoinTracking and then select from point 4 the IP address, which is this one, copy, paste, and then we hit next. Now our API key will be created once we enter the 2FA, so the two-factor authentication, once we receive it per email, and one with the app. So we're gonna wait for the email, and then after that we're gonna enter the one from the Google Authenticator. Once done, we can click confirm, and voila, our API keys are created. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I will answer every single question there is. Also, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.